Have you ever dreamed of cruising around in a sleek luxury SUV?
The BMW X5 is definitely a tempting choice.
But with leasing, there's always the question of whether it's actually a good deal. Let's break it down. Uh, Leasing an X5 means you're only paying for the vehicle's depreciation during your lease term, typically 3 years. This often makes leasing more affordable monthly than buying. However, it's important to know what you're getting into. One common pain point is understanding mileage limits. Most leases have 10 to 15,000 mile per year limit. Go over and you could pay a hefty 25 cents per mile. Calculate your daily drive, honestly, to avoid surprises. Let's talk numbers. A typical BMW X5 lease could start from $650 per month with a few $1,000s down. That's a killer deal for a vehicle that can cost upwards of $60,000 to purchase outright. Clearly, leasing has its financial perks. Hidden fees can be a buzzkill. You might face an acquisition fee at the start and a disposition fee at the end. Ask about all fees upfront. A pro tip, negotiate these fees. Not everyone tries it, but some dealers are flexible. Service and maintenance lease packages often cover scheduled maintenance, saving you more cash. But you're on the hook for any excessive wear and tear. Keeping the car in good shape is crucial to avoid end of lease charges. Depreciation can be tricky. The X5, like many luxury cars, can depreciate quickly, but this works in your favor when leasing, as you're not absorbing that loss if you plan to upgrade after the lease term. Always take the time to test drive the X5, feel the driving dynamics, tech features, and comfort. Make sure it lives up to your expectations, since you'll be the one living with it, not just watching those enticing commercials. Credit scores matter more than you might think. Higher credit scores unlock better lease rates, translating to lower monthly payments. If your score isn't stellar, consider working on it before applying to get the best deal possible. Especially if you're in the Portland area like me, shop around local dealerships for the best lease offers. Sometimes regional promotions can save you hundreds over the lease term, and compared, different offers before making a decision. The buyout option at the end of a lease is intriguing. If you love the X5, purchasing it outright becomes an option. However, always compare the buyout price to the car's market value. And you might find it's better to walk away. Ultimately, leasing the BMW X5 can be a smart choice if you value driving the latest models without long-term commitments. Just ensure you read the fine print and negotiate wisely. Remember, the fine details can be the difference between a great deal and financial regret.